What are you doing? Are you standing up in your crib? Let's see. You sure are. Look at those feet on the ground. Hi. Hi. Hi, baby Kate. What you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing, my little Ava? Are you playing? Ava. Hi. Oh, are you okay? Yeah, you're fine. And I'm back to bouncing. Ava. Hi. Are you dancing to the commercial? Ava. Ava. Hi. Yeah. What else? Are you going to talk to the camera? Say hi, Auntie Tay. Whoa. Ava. And now I'm going to bend down and pick up my toy. I'm back. Hi. Okay, say bye-bye. Ava. Bye-bye. 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 Whoa. Bye-bye. Oh, you're standing up. Okay. I see you pull your... There you are. Okay. Wait, Ava. Wave bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.